Lot of questions are being asked about year 2022. 2022 हम सबके लिए क्या लेकर आ रहा है? 2022 is a combination of 2 and 6. Three twos and in combination is 6. And 6 is the year of luxury, Venus and Shukra. It's the year of love, peace, harmony and progress. Year of entertainment, media and luxury. In nutshell, it is the year of band, baja and बारात. जिन लोग की शादी नहीं हो रही है इस पिछले साल के एंड में या इस साल में उनकी शादी हो जाएगी. जिन लोग के घर में बच्चा नहीं हो रहा है, मदर्स कंसीव नहीं कर पा रही हैं, उनके घर में खुशियां आएंगी. 6 नंबर या शुक्र वाले लोग दे possess charisma, aura and beauty. Number 6 is the year of feminine energy. ये साल ओकल्ट साइंसेस, न्यूमरोलॉजी, जो लोग एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री में हैं, जिम्स हैं, स्पाज हैं, ब्यूटी पार्लर्स हैं, जेम ज्वेलरी, एमरॉल्ड इंडस्ट्री, रेस्टोरेंट्स एंड इन स्पा इंडस्ट्री, डायमंड इंडस्ट्रीज, high ended industries, all of them will flourish because this is the year of expense, year of luxury, year of branded, high ended branded goods. So total focus in this year will be towards luxury. But there is a word of caution that in year 2022 it is suggested, जैसे आपको 1 जनवरी लिखना है तो 2022 लिखें पूरा, 1 जनवरी 22 ना लिखें. If you write 1st January 22, double 2 will, the addition will be 4 and that will activate Rahu, which will create lot of difficulties in your life. जिन लोग का प्राइमरी एंड सेकेंडरी नंबर भाग्यांक एंड मूलांक 2 है, those people will experience lot of emotional ups and downs in this year. A small message for the gynecologist and for the expecting mothers that please avoid deliveries on the date on 22 to 2022 because that will attract lot of twos and the persons and the children born on this date will experience lot of depression and emotional upswings throughout their life because 2 will become part of their life. ये ईयर लग्जरीज का है तो आपको हेल्थ की तरफ भी ध्यान देना ही पड़ेगा. लेजी ना रहें, बिल्कुल एक्टिव रहें. थायराइड, हार्ट एरियाज, रिप्रोडक्टिव एरियाज, किडनीज, इन सब एरियाज पर जरूर ध्यान दें. गो फॉर walk on green grass, that will improve the blood circulation and will improve the oxygen levels in your body. So be careful. Late night evenings, lot of luxuries, but concentrate on your heart. And as a remedy, you can take lot of water intake throughout this year, and you can take almonds, papaya, watermelon, oranges, all the foods and all the fruits which contain high water content. That will definitely helps you to liquidate toxins from your body. In this year, please wear light green colors or lighter colors. Avoid colors like dark red, blue and black colors, especially on Fridays. Use high-ended perfume to please or attract Goddess Lakshmi. This is an important tip to please and to enter in the heart of Goddess Lakshmi. Use high-ended perfume or go for a party on Friday in a luxurious hotel or in a 5-star hotel to have more of fame, name and luxuries in your life. take the blessings of the old aged ladies. Being a luxurious year, this year will attract inflation. You will see lot of inflation. So basic energy or vibration of this year is Shukra. Shukra is Shukriya. Say thank you to the nature for all the good beings offered to you by the nature. The 2 represents moon. Moon is mother of all planets and representing the emotions, sensitivity, healing energy. And 6 is the representation of Shukracharya. Shukracharya is the god of Asurs, devils, and has done lot of research. And after extensive research, God Shukracharya found Sanjeevani Booty, which brings life to the dead people. So this year is a combination of 2 and 6, the healing energy and higher in healing energy up to the level of Sanjeevani. So this year will protect us from death-like situation like COVID or the pandemic. So we do not speculate that there will be a complete eradication of corona from the planet. But definitely this year, 2022, apart from bringing happiness, joy, excitement, and luxury, the year will not be so bad as compared to the last year in perspective of corona. So that's a very good news for corona. But again, all preventions has to be taken, all precautions are to be taken, like wearing mask and using sanitizer and social distancing. They should become the past and parcel of our life. So this year 2022 in nutshell is a golden year, revenue year, economy इस year में अच्छा करेगा, stock market will see lot of volatility, lots of ups and downs, but in last the stock market will close on slightly positive note. As far as real estate industry is concerned, lot of people will buy the luxury homes in this year. This is a good news for the real estate industry. And finally, and most importantly, the last but not the least, my message is very clear that woman feminine energy will shine in year 2022. Thank you, friends. Best of luck. Have fun, enjoyment, and excitement with lot of happiness, spiritual energy, and meditation. That's in year 2022. Thanks.